Welcome back to the HSEBox YouTube channel. If you work in manufacturing, you already know that even a small mistake can lead to a serious injury. Every day, workers operate machinery, handle materials, work around moving equipment, and perform repetitive tasks that can create significant risks. But here is the good news. Most workplace injuries can be prevented. In today's video, we will explore practical health and safety best practices that can help manufacturing plants dramatically reduce workplace injuries, improve productivity, and create a stronger safety culture. What is the most common safety issue in your workplace? Machine safety, manual handling, slips and trips, or something else? Think about your answer as we continue. One of the biggest mistakes organizations make is believing that injuries are simply part of the job. They are not. A safe workplace starts with a proactive approach to hazard identification. Instead of waiting for an incident to occur, successful manufacturing companies continuously look for potential hazards before someone gets hurt. Regular workplace inspections are one of the most effective ways to achieve this. Supervisors, managers, and workers should walk through production areas and identify unsafe conditions, damaged equipment, poor housekeeping, or unsafe behaviors. Small issues often become major incidents if left unaddressed. Another critical area is machine safety. Manufacturing facilities rely heavily on machinery, and inadequate guarding remains one of the leading causes of serious injuries. Workers must never be exposed to moving parts, rotating equipment, or pinch points. Proper machine guards should always be installed, inspected, and maintained. Lockout and tagout procedures should also be implemented whenever maintenance or repair work is performed. Many severe injuries occur because equipment is unexpectedly energized during maintenance activities. Manual handling is another major contributor to workplace injuries. Many workers suffer back injuries, strains, and musculoskeletal disorders from lifting, carrying, pushing, and pulling loads. Organizations should look for opportunities to reduce manual handling through automation, lifting devices, conveyors, and improved workplace design. Training workers in proper lifting techniques is important, but eliminating the hazard whenever possible is even better. Consider this question. If you could prevent one injury in your workplace this year, which area would you focus on first? Training also plays a vital role in injury reduction. Workers need more than a one-time induction. Effective organizations provide ongoing training, toolbox talks, refresher sessions, and practical demonstrations. Employees should understand not only what to do, but why they need to do it. Near-miss reporting is another powerful tool. Every near-miss is a valuable opportunity to learn. If a worker almost gets injured, that event should be investigated with the same seriousness as an actual incident. By identifying root causes and implementing corrective actions, organizations can prevent future injuries before they happen. Safety leadership is equally important. Employees closely observe management behavior. If supervisors ignore safety rules, workers will likely do the same. When leaders actively participate in safety inspections, discussions, and incident investigations, they demonstrate that safety is a core organizational value. Technology can also make a significant difference. Modern health and safety software allows organizations to report incidents, track corrective actions, manage inspections, monitor observations, and analyze trends. Digital systems help organizations identify recurring issues and focus resources where they are needed most. This is where HSEBox can help. HSEBox provides practical solutions for safety officers, supervisors, managers, and directors. Our HSE management systems, mobile applications, inspection tools, calculators, professional documents, and online training courses are designed to simplify compliance, reduce risk, and improve workplace safety performance. Visit HSEBox.com to discover our complete range of HSE solutions used by safety professionals worldwide. Remember, reducing workplace injuries is not about luck. It is about commitment, leadership, hazard identification, worker involvement, training, and continuous improvement. Every injury prevented means someone returns home safely to their family. That is the true objective of health and safety management. If you found this video useful, subscribe to the HSEBox channel, activate the notification bell, and visit HSEBox.com for more HSE resources, training courses, mobile applications, and professional tools. Thank you for watching HSEBox. Stay safe, stay compliant, and we will see you in the next video.